There are so many products I use in my everyday life that are on a major sale on Amazon Prime. So let's rapid fire through them. I love my water pick. Me and my husband both have one. His is black. Mine's white. We're cute like that. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, fabulous product. Absolutely amazing. Once you use one of these, you can't go back to use hiccups using a regular flosser. Clinique Moisture Surge Sheer Tint Hydrator SPF 25. This is a really good product. I have mine in the shade Universal Medium. It's fragrance free, allergy tested, has good ingredients in it. It has SPF 25. Like I said, fabulous. This is my favorite cleanser, possibly of all time. I love this so much. It's the Prequel Cleanser. This is the one with glycerin in it. It has oat, aloe, fabulous ingredients, really affordable, amazing. It's also huge. So I only have to buy this maybe like once or twice a year. My husband and I both use it. Fabulous, never breaks me out, acne safe. This Atoll Berry, gosh, I freaking love this so much. The Estera, I've made 47,000 videos on this. It is so fabulous and phenomenal. I love it so very much. It's also acne safe for dry and sensitive skin. Looks amazing, has ceramides. I use this when I get out of the shower. It doesn't have a fragrance, so you don't have to worry about that. My skin's so glowy, so hydrated, and I notice a difference in my skin when I use this. And if you're self-tanned, you can use this because it doesn't strip off your self-tanner. Gorgeous. This seems so dramatic, but it's not. This is the Biotech, I don't know, multi-surface cleaner, cleanse deodorized concentrated solution. This was specific for cleaning your house, but what it is hypochlorous acid. So the same stuff that we spray on our faces, same stuff we spray on our faces, the magic molecule, like the antimicrobial spray, it's the exact same thing. So you can use it to clean your house. My dog puked earlier, so I cleaned everything up and then I sprayed this on it. It's antimicrobial, antibacterial, all that kind of stuff. It also deodorizes everything, so I know it's get my house like nice and not smelly. My favorite brush of all time. I even made a video about this brush. Gosh, the freaking hiccups. I even made a video about this brush. Is on sale. It's absolutely phenomenal. I think it's $8 as is, and then now it's on sale, so love that. My Oral-B toothbrush. Love this. I also had the Sonicare before, and I really like the Sonicare. Now's a great time to like buy things like this, and also stock up for Christmas. Some of my favorite L'Oreal shampoos and conditioners are on sale too. The L'Oreal LV for literally anything. The purple line, the pink line, absolutely so phenomenal. But I've made a really long list and compiled all kinds of stuff that I use in my everyday life that's so fabulous and phenomenal. So make sure to check that out. I'm even adding to the list every single day because I'm like trying to buy stuff. I'm buying pillows for our bed, king size pillows and pillow covers. I'm buying all kinds of stuff. So if you guys are interested in what I'm buying, I'll also let you know.